Are you searching for the best TV stand? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best TV stand in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. LED TV stand for 85-inch TV. Elevate your home entertainment experience. The LED TV stand for 85-inch TV is a masterpiece of modern design, engineered to enhance your home's aesthetics while providing a functional space for your entertainment needs. With its high-gloss surface, this stand is not just a piece of furniture, it's a statement. The RGB LED lights integrated into the stand are a game-changer, as they react to the sound, turning your living space into a dynamic and immersive environment. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or hosting movie nights, this stand is your go-to centerpiece. Seamless integration and convenience. The stand's design is not just about style. It's also about practicality. It features 2 USB ports and 2 power outlets, ensuring that your devices are always charged and ready to go. The cable management holes are a thoughtful addition, keeping your cables neatly organized and out of sight. With a double hinge system and large capacity cabinets, this stand is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. It's perfect for those who value both style and organization in their living space. Tailored for your lifestyle, this LED TV stand for 85-inch TV is not just a piece of furniture, it's a reflection of your lifestyle. It's designed to fit seamlessly into any modern home, whether you're looking to elevate your gaming setup or create a cozy spot for movie nights. Its high-gloss texture and sleek design are sure to impress, while the added convenience of the power outlets and USB ports make it a standout choice for any tech-savvy individual. With its adaptable size and sturdy construction, this stand is ready to meet the demands of your dynamic lifestyle.